Hello friends, I am Ritesh. I am Senior JE Advanced Mathematics faculty. I brought one very trickiest question of trigonometry. So pause the video and try by your own before going to see the solution. This is the question in front of you now. So see here in this question, we will here add 3 and subtract 3. So 3 plus cot square pi by 7 minus 1 plus cot square 2 pi by 7 minus 1 plus cot square 4 pi by 7 minus 1. Now this we will write 3 plus, change this in tan. So it will be 1 minus tan square pi by 7 by tan square pi by 7 plus 1 minus tan square 2 pi by 7 by tan square 2 pi by 7 plus 1 minus tan square 4 pi by 7 by tan square 4 pi by 7. Next, convert this into sine and cos. So this is now 3 plus cos square pi by 7 minus sine square pi by 7 by sine square pi by 7 plus cos square 2 pi by 7 minus sine square 2 pi by 7 divided by sine square 2 pi by 7. Here cos square 4 pi by 7 minus sine square 4 pi by 7 by sine square 4 pi by 7. Now one formula is here. This is cos square theta minus sine square theta is cos 2 theta. We will apply this formula here. Then it will be 3 plus cos 2 pi by 7. We will do one more thing here simultaneously, and this is this by sine 2 pi by 7. This is extra factor. We will multiply here in the denominator to cancel it. And what is in the denominator? Denominator it was sine square pi by 7. Again plus cos 4 pi by 7. Here will be sine 4 pi by 7. So here will be sine 4 pi by 7 divided by sine square 2 pi by 7. Again plus cos 8 pi by 7 divided by sine 8 pi by 7 into sine 8 pi by 7 and divided by sine square 4 pi by 7. Now this is giving you 3 plus, it will be cot 2 pi by 7 into, now sine 2 pi by 7 we can write, we will apply here one formula, sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. This formula will apply there. So what is coming finally? It is coming cot pi by 7 plus cot 4 pi by 7 into cot 2 pi by 7 plus cot 8 pi by 7 into cot 4 pi by 7. Next, again one more formula we will apply. Cot 8 pi by 7 we can write cot pi plus pi by 7, and this is nothing but cot pi by 7. We will apply this formula again in the step. So it is 3 plus cot 2 pi by 7 into cot pi by 7 plus cot 4 pi by 7 into cot 2 pi by 7 plus cot pi by 7 into cot 4 pi by 7. Again there is one more formula. What is that formula? So see here. In any triangle ABC, tan A plus B plus C is equal to 0. This implies tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C, and therefore it is giving you, therefore cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A is equal to 1. Now 3 plus cot three plus 2 times 3 plus 2 into 1, and that is 5.